Mr. Olmsted designed an arboretum here in this park over 125 years ago. And thanks to many who share his vision, we are now able to grow life back into his plan in this park.
On behalf of Buffalo Olmsted Parks Conservancy, I am so pleased to share that Phase 1 has successfully commenced. Phase 1 is entirely devoted to improving the overall safety of South Park and improving the quality of trees throughout.
I've been very, very excited to have and see this arboretum regrowth, rebirth start as the replantings are made. This park, it was created by our forefathers and our foremothers in the late 1800s so that people like ourselves could enjoy it more than 100 years later. And the investment we make in a park today with the planting of new trees will not be enjoyed just by us, but by people hopefully a century from now.